Hello, everybody over at River City Roofing. This is Hannah from Dreamweaver Designs, and today I'm going to go over a few things with you that you could do to help you increase your traffic and presence online. So, I got your homepage up here, and by the way, I do have to say it looks very good, very professional, so kudos to that. I am noticing though, the very first thing I noticed was that um, your site is not secure. And this is probably a $96 to $99 a year fix. And I definitely recommend it just so that, everybody's information uh, is safe. And another thing I also noticed is that there's not a lot of content on here. Content meaning, this. Google likes to see content. They are content fiends. It's like gold to them. So, an average homepage in Google's eyes should be anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. So, by getting your word count up, that would help you a lot on your ranks with Google. But they don't want just any random, set of words. They want keyword rich content. So things relating to, your services and things that people might be searching for. Um, I pulled your website up on this tool of mine called Ahrefs that I like to use. And so it says we got 317 backlinks and 90 organic words. And that's getting you 91 people a month traffic. But if we go into our keywords here, we can see the volume per month, what people are searching, and your rank on each search, and how many people that's getting you a month. So this one right here, that's a good one. You might want to try, ranking up on that. City Roof, these two are good. Um, City Roofing, a lot of them I can see are name based, and you want to try and go for more service based to get a broader range of people. This is your competition currently. They are at the top of the Google My Business, and as you can see, their website's all right, but they also don't have a lot of content. So, you know, beating them is definitely doable. I also pulled up their website on Ahrefs, and they only have 80 organic keywords, but the keywords that they're ranking for are more general based. That's getting them 196 people a month. So, Portland Roofing Company, it's a pretty broad one. Roofing Portland, Roofing Companies Portland, Roofing Contractors Portland. So, all of these we can add to yours as well and have you start ranking for those as well to add to your traffic. Another thing I wanted to mention are backlinks. So backlinks are pretty much other websites that are referring back to yours. And we can see here that you have 317, and not all backlinks are equal. Some are more valuable than others. Um, Other websites that relate to or pertain to your field of business would be better off linking to you rather than say like a Pizza Hut. You know what I mean? So when we go in here and we look at the backlinks, all we would have to do, oh, this is yours, I'm sorry. All we would have to do is take their backlinks that they're using, and you see how they only have 308? That's the power of backlinks, because some are more powerful than others. So we can go in here and we can see which ones you don't have that they do, and how much power per se. So we want do follow. No follow would be links that aren't getting you any points. So we want do follow, because those are the ones that are, giving you power. And we can go through these and see which ones you don't have, compare, and add those to your website as well to get you ranking above them. And then the last thing I wanted to add is the Google My Business. So I Googled something really generic, roofers in Portland. You see, this is the website of your competitors that I pulled up, and it has their name, number, address, and that is a citation. So you can put your citation in a bunch of directories all over the web, and the more the better, really. And also another thing is making sure that it's completely filled out. So having, photos on your Google My Business, telling what your servicing or your services are and whatnot, and making sure you're getting reviews. Those are all things that are going to help you rank. You also should know, though, that you won't be able to rank here on the map pack unless you're organically ranking down here on either the first or the second page. So those are all a few little things that you could do to start implementing at your discretion to help you start getting more people through the door, and yeah, helping you get more traffic. If you guys like what you see, go ahead and shoot me a message back and we can chat. Otherwise, you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.